Hey, my friends. I apologize again about training meeting today. I'm sure some of you are really bummed, and I'm sure some of you are really excited that it was canceled. Um, but I thought I would just do this quick screencast to share a few announcements with you. If you have questions about anything that I'm going to share, please let me know, whether it's through Slack or on the phone, whatever it might be. I just want to help. So the first announcement is fall schedules have been posted on Google for Education. This is I they were assigned based off of what you told me in a survey a couple months ago and what some of you have told me personally since then. So if you just go to my website and you scroll down, there's a tab for fall semester. There is only going to be 5 shifts or 5 teachers per shift. So as you can see, 34A and 40A are full and are no longer available, but all the other shifts are still free game. If you want to change things up or move around a little bit. But as of right now, this is what I'm planning on. So you need to let me know as soon as possible if this is not what you were expecting so that we can make the appropriate changes. Um, Another thing I wanted to share, we've been doing this, but we will continue to do this in the fall. For branches 40 and 41, on the missionaries' first full day, so Thursday, we are still going to have a morning shift where one of the teachers needs to be there to teach that shift. I don't care if both of you come or one of you comes. Um, the expectation, though, is that a teacher is there with the missionaries. It's been working really, really well. It's been helping the missionaries a lot. And so we're going to continue to do that. But if you have problems with this or you think that your companion teacher will have problems with this, please let me know because this is an expectation. The other things that I wanted to share is on the 4th of July, it is a normal work day. The shifts are all the same. But pickup will be different. It will be on Thursday rather than on Wednesday. So uh, everything will be booted back just a couple days. And there will be more announcements that'll come probably next week. So don't stress too much about the 4th and all the changes that are going to come with that. I will say with the 4th of July, if I assign you to pick up next Wednesday or I guess Thursday, I'm okay with you taking Wednesday off or coming in. I would like to know if you're planning on taking it off, but I thought I would give you that option. Also, if you're resourcing and you're not assigned to a district on the 4th, I'm okay with you taking it off. Again, I need to know about it. But we need to make sure that all the missionaries are covered because, like I said, it'll be a normal day for them and a normal day for us unless I've approved that you can take the time off. Last thing that I'll share is with policies with pickup. Uh, and this will be somewhat different than what I've said in the past to some of you. So, what I'm saying right now is what the standard is for all of us. Let's take branch 40 as an example. So, if the missionaries were to come in on Wednesday, like today, I would expect either the A shift or the B shift or both teachers to be there. But what I want to change is if the A shift teacher were to come into the morning shift, I would not want them to be at pickup. So you need to decide whether you want to come to pickup or your morning shift. I don't want you to come to both. Same thing for obviously the evening shift or any other shift. And it also applies, let's say the A shift teacher says that they can come in for pickup, but the B shift teacher could not. The B shift teacher can either take the day off or they would just come into their normal shift at night. Um, there are a couple reasons that I'm doing that. If you want to know, you can come talk to me. But that's the policy for now. And let me know if it's confusing. But I think that's everything that I have except for just a reminder about the 4th of July, or not the 4th of July. On the 10th of July, we're doing the kickball tournament. Um, and I would love for as many people to come as possible. It'd just be a lot of fun. So that's everything. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks everyone for all that you do.